Hi, welcome to the market alert for Thursday, the 21st of May 2015. Starting off in the 5-minute chart, you can see here that the market sold off quite sharply. Prices trading back down to the 18,300 there, finding support. You can see the market being tested here, then the professional buying coming back in and eventually returning back above the 18,300 before making its way back. And this has been a pattern for the Dow for the last few years, where the market's marked down initially and then it is brought back. And any reason this bar doesn't show a potential signal is because of the range of the bar. It's a wide-ranging bar with a low of 276 up to 302. So we've got 26 points there, so just 1 point outside of the range for a potential signal there. However, the market just before the quiet period, you see there we've got PTP and XXX, which goes down to the target scalp. I'll just draw this one in for you, but it took until at least 10-15 minutes before the Federal Reserve Chair Yellen spoke, releasing the FOMC meetings from last month. And speaking of which, you can see the market wasn't really that bothered about what she had to say either. The first 15 minutes the market didn't know what to do. It then closed back above the 18,300 and eventually prices moved up to the scalp, which was at the 18,350 psychological level as well. And whatever she said, the market then decided to turn and it headed south for the remainder of the session. So just the two signals there yesterday with the potential of 40 points. You wouldn't have got 40 out of this one though, because the scalp was hit fairly quickly and then it started to reverse. But then we see prices moving sideways to lower there. In the daily chart, you can see the market struggling at the moment with the all-time high. Things aren't going to improve today because tomorrow Yellen is going to be speaking, Khan is speaking, and Draghi is speaking tomorrow afternoon and evening as well. So it's all about interest rate rises, the potential for these. That's from the US, not the European or the UK markets. But the market is likely to be waiting for this news tomorrow. And then, of course, we'll get the reaction next week. So the Dow going into a bit of a sideways move. The overnight markets continue to the downside as well and pulling back at the moment, as you can see there. Let's have a look at the news today, see what we've got that will bring the market back up. We've got 3 p.m. We've got existing home sales. Let me just move this up just in case there's another one. We've got existing home sales. Hang on a second. We've got another one there. We've got the flash PMI for the US at 245. Existing home sales at 3 p.m. These are this is a high impact news item. Philly Fed Index also out at the same time as well. And if these figures come out as they're forecasted there, then that's going to put pressure on Yellen to increase rates, but I don't see rates going up, as I've said before, anytime soon, because it increases the interest payment on the debt that the US and any other government has as well. So I can't see them being too keen to increase interest rates just yet. Draghi is going to speak at 6:30 and FOM member Fisher is also going to speak, but tomorrow is the big one, as we'll discuss tomorrow morning. And finally, in the implied volatility, 1095 for Tuesday, and Wednesday's figure was 1123, moving back to the upside there because of the sharp sell-off at the end of the session yesterday. And obviously the option traders getting slightly nervous about what Yellen may have to say tomorrow and marking up some of the options to cover some of the risk in those premiums as well. So that's it for today. Fairly brief and to the point. I shall see you in tomorrow's market alert. Have a good day. As ever, thank you for your support and also for watching. See you in the next one.